Hello students. Today we're going to continue the same chapter, the same topic, that is chapter number 6 from political science, political parties. Yesterday we have discussed that what is the meaning of political parties, why do we need political parties, what are the components that we need for our political parties. So for our political there are three components: leader, active members and followers. And we also discussed that what are the functions of political parties, necessity of political parties. Now today we'll discuss types of political parties. So in democracy we have, or in federal system all over the world, tend to have two kinds of political parties: state parties and national parties. State parties are present in only one of the federal unit, and national parties that are present in several or all units of the federation. In India there are both. इंडिया में दोनों तरह की पार्टीज पाई जाती हैं, नेशनल भी और स्टेट पार्टीज भी. ईच पार्टी इन द कंट्री हैज़ टू रजिस्टर विद द इलेक्शन कमीशन. कोई भी पार्टी जब तक इलेक्शन कमीशन में उसका रजिस्ट्रेशन नहीं होता तब तक पूरी तरह से पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज की श्रेणी में नहीं आती है. अब नेशनल पार्टी, a party that secure at least 6% of the total votes in Lok Sabha election or assembly election in 4 states and win at least 4 seats in Lok Sabha is recognized as national party. The commission treats all parties equally but is offer some special facilities to large and established party. These parties are given a unique symbol. हर पार्टी को, हर नेशनल पार्टी को एक यूनिक सिंबल दिया जाता है. ओनली द ऑफिशियल कैंडिडेट ऑफ द पार्टी कैन यूज़ द इलेक्शन सिंबल. जो ऑफिशियल्स होते हैं, जो हेड लीडर्स होते हैं, जो सीनियर लीडर्स होते हैं, वो लोग अपनी पार्टी का सिंबल या इलेक्शन सिंबल जिसको बोलते हैं उसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं. Parties that get this privilege and some other special facilities are recognized by the Election Commission for this purpose. That is why these parties are called recognized political parties. तो हमारे देश में जितनी भी पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज़ हैं, रिकॉग्नाइज्ड पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज़ हैं, उन सब पार्टीज़ के अपने इलेक्शन सिंबल्स हैं. जैसे इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस का, आपका भारतीय जनता पार्टी, बहुजन समाज पार्टी, और जितनी हमारी पार्टीज़ हैं सबके, कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी, सब पार्टीज़ के अपने अपने सिंबल हैं. एक तरह से ये कहिए कि ये सिंबल उनकी पार्टी की पहचान बन जाते हैं. तो ये हमारी हो गई नेशनल पार्टीज़. स्टेट पार्टीज़, अ पार्टी दैट सिक्योर एटलीस्ट 6% ऑफ द टोटल वोट्स इन द इलेक्शन टू द लेजिस्लेचर असेंबली of a state and win at least 2 seats is recognized as state party. This is commonly referred as a, इनको regional parties भी बोलते हैं, इनको state parties या commonly these are referred as a regional party, but still their parties are not needed to be regional in their ideology. Now the next important point is that challenges to political parties. Every political party has to face some challenges. ये हमारे इंडिया में नहीं, वर्ल्ड की भी ये प्रॉब्लम है कि हर पॉलिटिकल पार्टी को कुछ ना कुछ चैलेंजेस फेस करने पड़ते हैं. इसमें जो हमारे कॉमन मैन है, जो हमारा वोटर है, उसका डिससेटिस्फैक्शन, जो कॉमन मैन है उसका सेटिस्फेक्शन होना अपने आप में एक बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है, क्योंकि इतनी बड़ी पॉपुलेशन में सभी लोग आपसे संतुष्ट हों ऐसा पॉसिबल नहीं होता. तो डिससेटिस्फैक्शन विद द परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ द पॉलिटिकल पार्टी, जो रूलिंग पार्टी है उसकी परफॉर्मेंस से डिससेटिस्फैक्शन की जो प्रॉब्लम है, वो सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम, सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज है जो कि हमारी पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज फेस करती हैं. Popular dissatisfaction and criticism has faced in four problem area in the working of political parties. Political parties need to face and overcome these challenges with the following. सबसे पहले और दूसरी क्या प्रॉब्लम्स है? लैक ऑफ इंटरनल डेमोक्रेसी विद इन द पार्टीज. पार्टीज में अपने आप में ही मेंबर्स में प्रॉब्लम्स चली आ रही हैं, तो लैक ऑफ इंटरनल डेमोक्रेसी within the parties. In most of the political parties, the power is concentrated in the hand of one or few leaders at the top. Parties do not keep membership register, do not hold organizational meeting, and do not conduct internal elections regularly. Ordinary member of the party do not get sufficient information about the happening inside the party. The leader assume great power to make decision in the name of the party. और जो हमारी दूसरी प्रॉब्लम है, जो बेसिकली हम लोग हमारी पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज फेस करती हैं, लीडर्स ऑन द टॉप हैव अनफेयर चांस ऑफ फेवरिंग देयर फैमिलीज एंड फ्रेंड्स. दिस इज ऑल्सो बैड फॉर डेमोक्रेसी सिंस people who do not have adequate experience or popular support come to occupy position of power. This tendency is present in all over the world, including some older democracies. So this is one of the most challenge of political party. Now another problem of political party or big challenge is money and muscle power. This is a prominent challenge to political parties during elections. Since parties are forced only on winning elections, they tend to use shortcuts to win elections. Like shortcuts, what? That they tend to nominate those candidates who have or can raise lots of money. Rich people and companies who give funds to the parties tend to have influence on the policies and decision of the party. So this is one of the shortcut, and another one is in some cases parties support criminal who can win election. So these are the problems that a political party face, not in India but all over the world. So these are some challenges of political parties. Now next important topic related to this chapter is reformation of political parties. In order to face the challenges, political parties need to be reformed. Some of the recent efforts and suggestions in our country to reform the political parties are, these are some suggestions. So suggestion number 1 is anti-defection law. According to this law, MLAs or MPs cannot change the party आफ्टर द इलेक्शन. इलेक्शन होने के बाद जो हमारे एमएलए या एमपीज़ हैं, उन्हें परमिशन नहीं है कि वो अपनी पार्टीज़ को चेंज कर सकें. इफ़ एमपी और एमएलए change party, he or she will lose the seat in the legislature. This was done because many elected representatives were involved in defection in order to become minister or for cash rewards. Now, second important reform for the political party is details of property and criminal cases. Sorry. In order to reduce the influence of money and criminals, the Supreme Court of a country passed an order. Now it becomes mandatory for every candidate who contests election to file an affidavit giving details of his property and criminal cases pending against him. So this is also another important reform. One reform is also very important, that he or she should file an income tax return. The Election Commission passed an order making it necessary for political parties to hold their organization election and file their income tax returns. The parties have started doing so, but sometimes it is not formatly. So these are some reformations of political parties. So we have discussed all the points of this chapter. Thank you so much.